Okay, so I bought some Dr.Scholl's custom fit orthotic inserts. I did use a $5 off coupon. What I want to point out, let's see. Okay, so where you get the date on the receipt. Okay, so I got to cover that other side up too. I bought these March 9th, 2019, and they have a 90-day money-back guarantee. So, what would be a good idea, I think, maybe, I don't know. One reason to make the video is I'm going to go out about 80 days, give some margin of error. I'm going to count out from today 80 days and mark on the calendar that if these don't work, if I don't notice any difference or whatever, to be sure to take them back before the warranty, because they were $49.96 less the $5 coupon. It's right here. So, anyway, your feet are very, very important. Oh, they're nice. Thicker. This piece is kind of hard plastic. This is soft rubber. It's good arch support. Okay, this one's a large. I guess that one's a regular. Anyway. I'll give them a month or two and see how they do. I do buy a lot of stuff from Walmart. Don't buy shoes from Walmart. Get properly fitted shoes and get good quality shoes. I'm not saying to buy super expensive shoes, but you need to get shoes that fit properly. So go somewhere like Shoe Carnival, I don't know. Go somewhere where they have the thing to measure your feet, because your foot size changes over time. Even when you're older, your foot changes over time. And make sure you're wearing the proper size shoes. Oh, my floor is way too dark for this stuff. Oh, that's nice. You also want to make sure that you have 2 pair of shoes at least. And rotate them. You runners out there know that you don't want to run in the same pair of shoes every day. You want to use multiple pair of shoes and keep the cushioning in it nice and supple. Oh, those feel nice. I may post this video and then post another one after 90 days, or I may wait and do it all at one time and not make you wait 3 months to get the update on it. But I'm going to put these in my work shoes and see if it helps with the standing all day. My new job, essentially I wind up standing all the time. So I'll let you know how they do. And for now, I'm just going to keep the receipt in the box in case. I kind of like them. I don't think they're going to have to go back, but just in case, always keep your receipts. I mean, I could have got the wrong one. I got the 440, CF 440. The first time I did the test on the machine, or the only time, it took me a little while to figure out how the machine worked. So I'm not sure if I got the right number, essentially. Then the next 2 times, the machine won't work. So I don't know if I got the right number or not. But I'm going to try these because that was the number it gave me. But I kept the receipt in case I need to switch to a different one, or if they don't seem to help, there's no point in keeping them. I don't know.